The forged head bolt is manufactured from a special hot-rolled deformed bar. This bolt is manufactured with a forged integral head, featuring a rib pattern which actively assists with mixing the chemical anchors during installation. The benefits of this system are: the deformed bar rib pattern ensures superior load transfer properties. The chemical anchor bolts have a hot forged integral head, designed for use with chemical anchors, but can be effectively used with cementitious grouts. Sandvik forged head bolts deliver a typical yield strength of 150 kilonewtons and tensile strength of 250 kilonewtons for varying applications. Prior to installation, ensure the hole is flushed and free from dust and grit. The resin capsules are inserted into the hole. Push the bolt slowly up, rotating the bolt to begin the mixing process. When the bolt reaches the back of the hole, rotate for a further 4 seconds to ensure complete mixing. Total mixing time must not exceed the stated spin time. Stop the rotation and leave the bolt for at least the stated hold time. Standard bolt lengths range from 0.6 meters to 3 meters in 300 millimeter increments. Alternative lengths can be manufactured if required. Corrosion protection may be provided by hot dip galvanizing or alternative coatings if required.